Good day, everyone. Learn how to change the font size in Android phone. So you can increase the font size or you can decrease the font size according to your convenience, no matter which Android phone you have. So here, go to the settings. You can go from the top or simply go to the settings. So I'll click on settings first, and then we need to scroll down and look for option says display, and we will click on that. Then we need to scroll down, and here you will find font size and style. You will get other options as well, like motion, eye comfort shield, color tone. So we will click on font size as well. Now you want the default font size. And if you want to increase or decrease, you can see the text right here. And once you're done with this, once you're comfortable, you can simply go back and that will be changed. You can change the font size in this manner. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.